este jogo hoje.
Onde tem cachorro na televisão aí?
I look good?
Okay.
I look good?
Wonderful.
What do you think? My friend? Hey.
Shining eyes.
Shining?
Eyes.
Because I cry a lot today.
Il Sassuolo, un match molto importante con la Juventus che ha l'obiettivo di fare 4 su 4 vittorie in altrettante partite, sarebbe un inizio migliore possibile immaginabile. Affronta una formazione molto interessante come il Sassuolo.
Are you feeling more and more confident with each game?
No, I understand.
Are you confident?
I understand, sorry.
Gary, he's looking confident anyway, Gary.
Yeah, he is confident. He's yeah, you won the match, well done.
Yeah,
you go.
Hi, I'm just with a few of the boys who were involved today. Owen, what an unbelievable day. How are you feeling right now?
I think we feel good. I think we're all looking forward to the night tonight, and hopefully we'll have a good night. Good. I think we're all looking forward to the night tonight, and hopefully we'll have a good night.
You're obviously all in very good spirits, as you'd imagine. So is tonight really a time to relax and reflect on an unbelievable season?
Not yet. We still have the Champions League final that we want to win. So tonight we'll have some fun, and we'll get ready for the next game.
Are you able to
Bueno, es el primer partido de la temporada. Normal, ¿no? Esa tensión, pero seguramente estaremos mejor en el primer partido de liga.
Bueno, a James y Cristiano les veo.
Me pareció concentrado.
Concentrado, ¿qué es ese jugador?
Jugador, sí.
Concentrado. Coentrão.
Coentrao, ahí está. En portugués. Coentrao.
Muy bien. Coentrão es un jugador muy bueno.
Dentro de campo que se demostrara fuera, ¿no? Para la afición. Deixa eu falar.
Pasamos a turno de preguntas para Luka Modric. ¿Preguntas para Luka Modric?
Me confundi.
Não tocando a bola, mas o time está de parabéns pela vitória. Esperamos pensar no próximo jogo, que é importante.
Yeah, but speak in English, please.
Okay.
Speak English.
No, I don't speak English, just Portuguese.
But the people don't understand you.
I don't know. Asa sometimes understand me.
Okay, thank you very much. Coca-Cola.
El grito tuyo para los espectadores.
¡Sí! Muchas gracias, afición. Este es para vosotros. ¡Sí!
¿No? Es sí.
Es sí.
Mas com...
Bueno, pero...
¿Sabes?
Sí.
Sí.